In this video, I'm going to show you how to make a new folder or file. Okay, so we can use the shortcut keys. Just right click on of your mouse, then this pop-up will come, and here you can see this option, this one, and in ahead of this, here's a folder. If you click the left button of the mouse on here, the folder will be created. As you can see here, this is the folder has been made. So here you can change the name. I will change the name folder 1, folder 1. Okay, and this folder has been made. Open the folder and you can store your data on this folder. Okay guys, thank you.